Hey gearheads! Buckle up because Royal Enfield just dropped a bomb on the motorcycle scene with the all-new Shotgun 650. Remember that limited edition Motovus version? Forget it, we're talking about the real deal here, folks. The Shotgun 650 is hitting showrooms by early 2024, and it's bringing four color options to rock your world: stencil white, plasma blue, green drill, and sheet metal gray. But this ain't just about paint jobs. This bad boy is built for versatility. Want a solo ride with a Baitis vibe? The floating single seat is your ticket. Need two-up touring? Bam, pop on the pillion seat. Feeling adventurous? Throw on the luggage rack and hit the open road. It's your canvas, your call. So, what are you waiting for? The Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 is a game-changer waiting to happen. Hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, and let me know in the comments which color rocks your world. This is gonna be one wild ride, folks. Thanks for watching.